What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I have something you're not gonna see anywhere else here on the channel today. I'm at Maserati Jacksonville with a special 2023 Maserati Grecale Modena, but it has a Nerissimo package on it. Now I know you're thinking, well, you can't get the Grecale with the Nerissimo package. Well, this one has a $4,000 blackout package for the trim. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like with a couple extra flares on it that you guys will see, as well as tint that is $500. So this is here in Maserati Jacksonville. I will link them down in the description below in case you are looking for this car specifically or any other Maserati that they have here on the lot. So with that said, let's take a look at this very special Maserati Grecale. So check this out, guys, because Nerissimo, we know that as the black package for the Maserati lineup. But with the new Grecale, there is no Nerissimo pack to black out everything the way that we're doing today. I'm gonna show you because as you guys can see, I mean, literally everything that was aluminum is now blacked out on this Bianco Modena. Now the Modena, you know, is a middle spec trim, and we have some nice flares to it that are just I mean, it stands out big time. Okay, so you guys can probably already see the front grille has the Italian colors, green, white, and red, integrated into the grille. Really cool touch to give it that Italian styling up front. I like the flare, but we also have the gloss black front. Now this is all standard when it comes to the Modena. You're gonna get the black grille, you're gonna get the black front lip, you're gonna get the black side blades. That's all standard. What we have up front to help it stand out is the Italian flag. All right. Coming to the side, because this is where we'll see some differences. That Italian flag is carried over to the 3 portholes right here with the black right underneath and the Modena badge in black, or the script in black. That looks really cool, right? So that adds and ties it in into the front to give it that Italian flair and feel. All right, let's talk about the wheels. These have been done in black. The cryo wheels are now in black. How cool does that look? That is not an option you can get on Maserati to get these wheels done in black. With the red calipers and white script, it pops so well. And then even more with the front fenders in the Italian setup. So then you put the front end together with it, and that's what you get. How cool does that look, guys? Now we're not done, because the mirror caps are done in black, part of that $4,000 package. You can also see the window moldings are in black, so it's nice to go with the mirror caps. You can also see the door handles are in black, where it normally is aluminum up top. It's done in black. Side skirts are done in black as well down there. And it might be hard to see, but you can kind of see where the side skirt meets the Bianco body. So that's also done in the gloss black. Then you have the roof, the panel roof, done in gloss black as well, with the shark fin antenna done in gloss black. There's something else. It extends. This part is never in any kind of black. This would be body colored, but it goes all the way through into the spoiler and down the sides. Now we know down the sides and the spoiler being black, but this part being black is actually added. And then you have the trident in black, which is part of that Modena badge or Modena trim level. So then you look at it from this side and you see all that tied together. Looks pretty crazy, right? We're not done. We're not done. Let's go to the back. The script and the piece going through, striking through. Guess what? It's in black. The Grecale badge. Guess what? It's in black. The tails are smoked. And then obviously for the Modena, you get the gloss black rear diffuser and exhaust tips done in gloss black as well. So then you take a step back and tie that all in, and that looks cool, right? I'm digging this. This looks really cool with this spec. Black on white looks really good. Then you add the little Italian flag and the colors, just the little trim pieces just to give it a little bit of oomph and pop of color with the red calipers. I think it looks pretty good. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, it helps grow the channel and get more opportunities to get more beautiful Maseratis like this custom Grecale behind me here today. So in the inside is pretty chill, black on black as you guys would think. Nothing too crazy as far as extra goes in here, all right? But it's all the same Grecale things that you like and love out of the new design language and technology features of this model. So just quickly, I'm just showing you the interior specs so you can see exactly how it would look with the white on black exterior. All right, big panel roof, everything done as far as the Nero leather, all right, the Nero wood. I mean, yeah, it's all great stuff, all chill stuff, and 33 inches of real estate when it comes to the screens, all the things you are used to for the Maserati lineup, for the Grecale. It's all here. I just really want to show off that spec to you on the exterior because never have we seen that before on a Grecale. And it's a brand new car with that trim set up like that. It's just easy for you to buy just like that and not have to worry about doing it afterwards. So really cool to have something very unique like that on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But let's take a look at the sticker and then we'll talk. All right, so now that we got the sticker in front of us, you can see the Bianco and Nero Maserati Grecale Modena is $72,900 to start. After the additional options, not including the blackout package, you're looking at $80,697 after the $1,195 destination and $300 preparation delivery. But after our blackout package and window tint, as you guys can see there, then you're looking at $85,597. All right, so that appearance package, especially those wheels, will cost you, but it actually makes sense and it looks good and it's nice to get right out of the bat and right into your price of your car. So with that said, the additional options are as follows: driver assistance plus package, $3,100, the 21-inch cryo wheels, $1,800, red brake calipers, $500, piano black wood trim, $500, and you also have your Grecale accessories as well in the back. Now you can see what comes standard with this model. If the shadows will let me show you, hold on. There we go. All right, so the shadows have cleared and there is everything that comes standard in the Grecale Modena. Just in case you guys need to check it out, pause it, zoom in, screenshot, see whatever you need to see everything that comes on a Grecale Modena. And then fuel economy, 25 combined city and highway, 22 city, 29 highway, and then you have your 4 years, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty with 24/7 roadside assistance. I mean, guys, something special right here. It's cool to see something like this before somebody gets their hands on it. But again, I'll drop the link down in the description below in case you guys want to cop this thing. All right, guys, so what did you think at $85,000 overall for this Grecale with the add-on blackout package, the blacked out trim? How does it look? What do you guys think about this Grecale here today? Drop those comments down below because some people are gonna love this, some people not so much, but I want to know down in the comments below, what would you do to make this better, or would you keep it just like this, or keep it stock? Drop those comments, let me know what you guys are thinking. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this blacked out trimmed Grecale with a $4,000 trim black package. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation from my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and the social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.